Hello guys, welcome to Bako Smart Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a number to your Facebook account. So in order to add a number to your Facebook account, visit the Facebook, then tap on this icon over here. After tapping on this icon, tap on the settings icon at the top here. Then you are going to tap on Account Center. After tapping on Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Then tap on Contact Info. Then after doing that, tap on Add New Contact. When you tap on Add New Contact, it's going to pop you up here, Add New Number again. Then after that, here you are going to tap your number you want to add to the account. And don't forget, after typing your mobile number, here you have to select the account you want to add in the number and tap on Next. When you tap on Next, it's going to pop you up here where they are going to send a code to your email. After sending the code to the email, go back to the email, then copy the code and come and paste it here. Then you are going to tap on Continue. Then after that, they are going to tell you have successfully added a new number to your account. So guys, this is how to add a mobile number to your account. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.